Hi guys, it's Terrence. We have heard seeing this guy. He ate his thumb.
Hey, no, it was this one.
He was so hungry that he's like.
Hey, I got hungry, okay?
So you couldn't hold it off.
I got stunned by a bee or something.
No, I didn't see anything on you. See, did you guys hear that? I'm telling him it's a bird.
I think it's a comet.
Comment and tell us what it sounds like, guys. I swear to God, it sounds like a bird. Someone's coming. It's his sister. Yeah. Dance, 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 dance. Boom, 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 boom.
Ow!
He's sweet. It's a nice car.
Thank you.
That's your sister's.
I know, but thank you.
What's wrong?
It's his foot. Broken. Flat. Hi, puppies.
Now go, 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 go.
What?
See, guys, it came from all over there. I will end the video here.